Yes guys, the snow is coming down so heavy guys, I can't even see the road properly guys. Look what's going on. Holy heck. I'm almost reached at work still, but yeah, this is what's going on guys. Can you see anything guys? No man. Trust me, trust me. Snow is coming down. And you know what? Actually, this is my fault, man, because I'm always come out and I never check the weather. Never. Because I know it's winter, I'm always like just dress for the winter. I just never check weather. I don't know why I have that bad style. I can't even see the line in the road to know if I'm in the right line. You can't see nothing, you know. But it's okay. This is it, you know. This is it. See that guys? That is it. Yeah, snow is out. You know what I mean? So we just have to live with this and work with it. Cause what we do? This type of country, tropical weather. This is the weather we live in, you know? Come on. This is the weather we live in, man. Them type of weather, you know? You can't see nothing. You can't even see the line on the road. See the snow plow truck there. And them throw salt and clean the road at the same time. Just a come. You see me? Yeah man, we're gonna have heavy snow. I'll check when we go inside and see how much inches of that snow we're supposed to get today. Because yep, this is it man. So them thing a bit. Don't cross the road until the vehicle come across, because you see you always skidding the road as a vehicle come lick you, so you understand? So yeah, just take your time. Just take your time and go in, man. Yep. That is it guys. So I'm parking. I can't see no lines to know where I'm actually parked, like if I park into a line or whatever. So I just got park. Alright guys, so remember to like and share and subscribe. This is your boy Greg. I'm say One Canadawalkby TV, fully active outside, you know what I mean? Yeah man, just a show a small clip. Yeah man, so I'm actually reach a wreck right now. So big up on yourself until them time there. 2025, yeah man, new year. That is it. I'm out.